Namaste. Just today I decided to do some yoga practice for people who are beginners in sun salutation, Surya Namaskara. Sun salutation actually is a warming up exercise. We normally people do very fast. But it's not ideal people who are beginners, stiff back, back, or they want to try sun salutation first time, how we can do the sun salutation. So we need to take it easy and we need to do it very slowly. So we just introducing the sun salutation to the beginners at our class. As the practice progresses, after maybe 5 weeks or 6 weeks, we can do the sun salutation very fast. As you know, sun salutation is a combination of the 12 postures combined with the inhalation, exhalation, and retain the breath. So just take it easy and do whatever you can. Don't push too hard. If you get tired, stop it and drink plenty of water. Take deep breath, and then you can resume the practice. So let us try. So bring the feet together and standing on the top of the mat. Keep the body mind relaxed. Inhale and exhale, hands together in front of the chest. Inhale, slowly bend back, arch back. Pushing the hips forward, stretching the hands over the head. Look up or look ahead or drop the head back. Exhale, slowly bend forward, bring the forehead to the knees, hands alongside the feet. Knees are straight and deep breathing. Inhale, stretching the right leg back, right knee on the mat, looking up, push the hips forward, our right toes pointing back. Retaining the breath, both legs back to plank pose, body in a straight line, looking ahead. Exhale, bring the knees on the mat, chest on the mat, chin or forehead on the mat. Keep the hips up, elbows close to the body. 8-point posture, Ashtanga Namaskara Asana. Inhale, slowly roll the body forward, head and chest up, arch back, look up. The Cobra pose, the Bhujangasana. Hips on the mat, elbows bent, close to the body, chest, shoulders open. Exhale, tuck the toes under, push the hips up toward the sky. Look at the lower abdomen or look at the toes. Stretching the heels to the ground and just keep breathing, deep, long breathing. Fingers wide open and fingers, palms firmly sticking on the mat. Inhale, bring the left knee on the mat first. Bring the right leg forward, in between the hands, look up. And then pushing the hips forward, arch back, look up. Left knee on the mat, left foot pointed. Exhale, left leg forward to join the right leg. Bring the forehead to the knees, hands alongside the feet. Inhale, bend back, arch back, push the hips forward, stretching the hands over the head. Look. Exhale, bending forward, bring the forehead to the knees, hands alongside the feet, knees straight. Now we do the second half with the left leg. Inhale, stretching the left leg back, left knee on the mat, pushing the hips forward, looking up, left foot pointed. Retain the breath, both legs back to plank posture, body straight line, look ahead. Exhale, bring the knees, chest, chin down and the hips up. Inhale, roll the body forward, head and chest up, arch back, look up. Exhale, tuck the toes under, push the hips up toward the sky, lower the head to the ground, chin to the chest, stretching the heels to the ground. The Parvadasana or downward dog or inverted V pose, several names. Inhale, bring the right knee on the mat, left foot forward in between the hands, pushing the hips forward, look up. Right knee on the mat, toes pointing back. Exhale, right leg forward to join the left leg, forehead to the knee, knees straight, hands alongside the feet. Inhale, bend back, arch back, push the hips forward, stretching the hands over the head. Exhale, slowly, hands down. That is one round. So if you're a beginner, you can start, like 2 or 3 rounds, and eventually as the practice progresses, you can go up to a 6 round, 8 round, 12 rounds, etc. So that is the sun salutation for the beginner. We do very slowly, and we take our own time, keep the body, mind relaxed always when we do the sun salutation. Sometimes people who cannot do the sun salutation with the straight legs, they can do this way. They standing on the knees like this, knees together. Inhale, exhale, hands together in front of the chest. Inhale, bend back, arch back. Exhale, bend forward, hands down, forehead down, head down. Inhale, stretching the right leg back and look up. And holding the breath, both legs back. Exhale, knees, chest chin down. Inhale, head and chest up to cobra. Exhale to downward dog. Inhale, right knee on the mat and then looking up like this. Exhale, left knee to join the right knee like this. And then exhale, bend forward. Inhale, bend back, arch back. Exhale, hands down and then hands together. We repeat with the left leg also. So that is one round. So if you struggle with the standing, you can kneeling and then do the sun salutation. And then after that, we take a lie down on the back, a short relaxation before we move into the next postures, relaxing the body and the mind. And take few deep breaths. Inhale deeply through the nostrils. Exhale through the nostrils. So deep, long breath. And then slowly legs together, arms over the head. Inhale, give a good spread. Exhale, bend the knees. Turn to one side with the support of the hand. Slowly sit up. Come to seated cross-leg posture. And take 3 deep breaths. Inhale deeply. Exhale deeply. Inhale. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. And open your eyes. Namaste. So practice every day for 5 to 6 weeks. And after the practice progresses, then you can change a little bit. Do the practice sun salutation a little bit faster. It's a very good exercise for our back, spinal column. It stretches the whole back, whole part of the body. It's a powerhouse. It establishing never-ending youths. If you do not have much time, practice sun salutation. Keep more healthier and you feel good. Namaste. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed this beginners, the sun salutation for the beginners. Namaste. Om Namah Shivaya.